gonna show you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First is the white cross. At first, before making it, look for the white center. First, there's a line. If it's messed up, you could turn it like this. Have a white. Look, turn for random pieces, and if you find a line, you can add like 2 times, and then this, and then M slice. And then when you find another one, it becomes like a half cross. And then this one, you just do one single turn. This. White cross is done, and then when you want to align, this should be aligned. For example, this one is already complete. And this one. And first, you do front 2. Front, move it 2 times like this. F2. And then go down, and then if you're facing this again, just have to all 2, and then you make another one. And then this one needs to go down to the left, and then you bring it back up by a front 2 or F2. There. Now it's all done. Now we're going to do the white corners. So, there's a bit of yellow. And then this one, we have to do it by like right, up, left, right, down, up, left. And then keep the corner that we just went through, and then we switched it up. We can move it to its correct place, like that. And then you do it again. For example, the one that I did is all U, all prime, U prime. Like this. All U, all prime, U prime. Do that to all the corners, and then our first layer will be solved. Now the first layer is solved, and under the white cross we just made is now solved. We're moving to second layer, or F2L, first 2 layers. And then first, it's a little bit different. We're gonna do the all U, all prime, U prime, but except a little bit different. Put it on the side, and then do all U, all prime, U prime again. And then a switch of all U, all prime. L, U, L, U, L, U, L, prime, U, prime. So, left up, top to the right, left down, top to the left. And if you get some cases like flip, you just have to do it again, and then do it again. And then when it's out again, you have to move it again, and then do it again. Then now it's solved. Do it with the rest of the corners, and then the first 2 layers will be done. Except for that flip case. When you have a flip case, you don't have to. When you don't have, you don't have to do it. But when you have to do it. No, the last one. Now the last one. Now we don't have to do anything. O and L is yellow cross. Like this. Like front to the right is F. And then front to the left is F prime. So front to the right, and then do that all U, all prime, U prime once again. And then turn back, F1. And this one, we're not done yet. But, I don't know, I think there's supposed to be a algorithm like a pearl. We have to align all the edges to the center again, but we found a pair. We're going to do this. Top to the left, right, down, left, right, up, top to left, right, down. And then, oh no. Now, to solve it, already done. Maybe, okay, when you get this case, you just have to do it one more time. Here, this facing this, and then we get a cube solved. Right, up, top to the right, left, up, top to the left, right, down, top to the right, left, down. That, I don't know the name of that. Next, the corner needs to go to the right places. So that's what I got mistaken on something like this. Top to the left, right, up, top to the right, left, up, top to the left, right, left, up, yeah. Oh, it's done. So all you have to do is flip it, and then you have to do that R prime, U prime, and then down left. That means D prime or D. I think D prime. And then do that R prime, U prime again. R prime, U. Until the yellow is facing down, until it's correct. And then it's done. So, and then what you have to do is D prime. Or if you want, it could be D3, and then D, so it's going to be shorter, and then and then this one, it's have to do this, and then I'll solve. Now you know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I'm going to solve this. I'll see you guys next time.